Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And is your RV's black water tank sensors always giving you a false reading? They're just not accurately giving you that reading when you push the button, whether it's full, quarter full, two-thirds full. Well, you need to check out this. This here is a RV and marine sensor cleaning solution that restores those level gauges or those sensors that get those clean and give you those accurate readings. This bottle here is 32 ounces. This is going to be two-time use. So you're going to be able to do it twice. You're going to fill your black tank with fresh water. And so get it full, completely full, because you need the full sensor to be fully touching solution or water. Fill it up with the hose or run the sink or flush the toilet, get that full, and then you're gonna pour half this bottle in. You can just eye it, but pour half the bottle in. Now, if you have the ability to drive around, it's good to drive around maybe, 10, 20 minutes to get that to work a little bit quicker so it's sloshing in there. If you can't drive around, no biggie. As long as you let it sit in there for about 10 to 12 hours, and that's like the sweet spot, that'll do its job. Once 10 or 12 hours go by, you can go ahead and dump your black tank, fill it up again with fresh water, and then dump that again, and then you are good to go. Let me tell you, this has worked. I've been getting more of an accurate reading because there for a while, as I was using our RV on the weekend, my tank levels never changed. And I'm like, this can't be right because we're constantly filling it up. And as soon as I did this and I poured half in, let me tell you that every time I hit the button, I'm getting a different reading, which has worked. So it means it has cleaned that sensor, grime and gook, so you can get more of an accurate reading. Again, this can be for RVs or marine. So if you have a boat too as well, it'll work there. Anything with a black tank, you can go ahead and pour half the solution in and then do it again a few months down the road. Fill it up, pour the rest of the bottle in, and then you're good to go. Shout out to Brody's for gifting me this. If you need a sensor cleaner and you want to make sure your sensors are performing to its top capabilities, check out this solution.